Can you go get your book? There you go. Good job, mister. Yay! Can you go get it? Whoa. Doing the army crawl. There you go, buddy. Go get it. Oh. You can do it. Go get your book. Hi. Yeah. Are you gonna come get mommy? Oh boy. I'm gonna come get mommy. Oh no, he's gonna get me. Oh no. You got me. Good job, buddy. Yeah. Wow, look at you go, mister. Yep, and there's that book again. Go get it. Whoa, good job, buddy. There you have it, folks. I think it's official. We're crawling. Catch you later.